Hello, how's everyone doing? My name is Noelle Keener. I'm the proud principal of Northeast Guilford High School. Thank you for being here to learn more about our amazing Academy of Computer and Information Science at Northeast Guilford High. So we are happy to have you. This is a live event. One thing I will tell you is that what that will mean is that you are here and there are quite a few of you here. However, you will not be able to see one another and you can only see me whenever my presenter, my amazing team, gives me access to be shown on the screen. So that's how I am here. If you have any questions, there is a Q&A box that has a little question mark in it. If you want to post any questions you have there, we will be happy to answer those questions for you. Those questions will not post to everyone. So if it's something specific that you want to ask about your child, that's okay. No one will see it besides us. If it is a general question for the good of the order, we'll be happy to answer that question at the end of the presentation. Also within the Q&A, we have posted an information form. So if you do want to be contacted by us so that you can talk to us more about your child and we can talk to you more about our program, we'd be happy to do that. So without further ado, let's do what we've come here for. I'll show you a little bit about our academy. So here's our little short 90-second video.
Hello, my name is Noelle Keener, and I'm the principal of the Academy of Computer and Information Sciences at Northeast Guilford High School. Are you interested in a future career in computer science, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity? Here at the Academy of Computer and Information Science, we not only teach students programming and cybersecurity, but also how to problem solve, think logically, and be creative. Students learn to interact with computers and computer systems through coding, networking, and data analytics. Students attending the Academy will have the opportunity to participate in hands-on activities and opportunities with community partners. In addition, Northeast Guilford High School is well-rounded. When you become a part of our academy, you will have the benefit of a specialized curriculum, but also have the benefits that come with being at a traditional high school. For any ninth grader who thinks he or she might like a career path in computer science, the Academy of Computer and Information Science at Northeast Guilford High School is the place to be.
All right, so that was a little bit of a tour of our academy that is still in process, almost finished, but we've gotten a great remodel with some cutting edge technology that the folks that are with me here today that are smarter than me will be happy to tell you about. So first, let me talk to you about Northeast Guilford High School. We're one of 15 comprehensive high schools in Guilford County, and we offer a wide range of courses. So not only does your child get to participate in their specialized program, but we have classes like NJROTC, art, band, weight training, and leadership. We are one of the smaller traditional high schools. We have just under 1,000 students, but we offer a wide range of courses from honors to AP and all of our core classes, as well as AP Art, AP Spanish, and of course, AP Computer Science principles. In addition to all of our academics, we have a great social life. Of course, we have our student government, our National Honor Society and Beta Club, but we also have a K-pop club, a bowling club, and some of those other fun things that students really enjoy that really helps them to have a well-rounded high school education. So I'm so glad you learned more about Northeast, but I know you're here for our program. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce our amazing Academy lead, Ms. Deborah Harris. Take it away, Ms. Harris.
Hi, everybody. My name is Deborah Harris, and this is my second year at Northeast. I came in when the Academy first started, and when your child comes into the Academy, the first thing they're going to take is computer science, AP Computer Science principles. Now, I taught for 17 years, and I was in corporate America programming. So when they come in, they have to collaborate, and they learn the collaboration skills. They learn teamwork, as well as they will learn what computer science, how it fits into other areas of their life. Maybe medical science, maybe art, maybe design. So it's a wide range that your child could go into after completing this program. This program allows students to concentrate in the area of artificial intelligence or cybersecurity. Students will learn how learn from people in a variety of computer science fields, meaning that we will have speakers that come in and they talk about the area that they are, area in computer science. So students will learn from that. They also benefit from college mentors. So college students come in and help the students while they are there, and they talk to the students. And we have a partner with Lenovo and Microsoft. And by graduation, students will have an opportunity to access different businesses or corporations, meaning that when they get to the 12th grade, they will do an intern with the corporation. And also, while they're in this academy, they will earn certifications in different areas. Now I want to talk to you about some of the programs they have done in AP Computer Science Principles. So this is a student's work that when they first come in, this is what they learn. They learn it in Blockly code, and this student created a beach scene. And so they had to create clouds and the palm trees and the water and the sand, all using Blockly code. And this is another student. She created a summer scene, and she had to use Blockly code as well. You can see it was very detailed with the sun rays and the different type of flowers, the butterfly, the bee. She even has a bee up there and trees. So it was very detailed, all using Blockly code. Then this one is an animation that a student created, and it's an e-card. It's an e-card, and you know you can create e-cards on the computer these days. And so this is a Halloween e-card that he created. So we have some family testimonies from parents. So far, so good. My daughter really enjoys the many lessons she's learned. I am grateful for the teachers and staff that encourages my students to do his best. I truly appreciate Mrs. Harris for helping and motivating him to work hard and push forward, even if the assignment might seem difficult. She makes online learning fun. And you can read this. Very nice program.
I think that the program is a phenomenal program. It is one that I would recommend to anyone who's interested in technology. I've definitely seen a tremendous amount of growth with Corian in terms of his knowledge base, as well as his ability to kind of help with multiple things. He's kind of like our at-home IT guy. And I think that the program has really helped him become more confident in his ability to do those things as well, and definitely has expanded his knowledge.
It is important for those to think how students learn, because it shows that they care and know that we want better for ourselves to help brighten the future.
Can you describe the Academy in one word?
Very inspiring.
Why inspiring?
Because it shows you that you can do all things, especially when you're in an honors class or AP class. It shows you that you're smart and you can do better in life. Like when you think you can't do it, you are doing it because you're in this class.
If you could leave us with one word that describes your Computer Science Academy and the innovation spaces within it, what would that one word be?
Honestly, the only word that I can think of is intriguing. The classes are interesting, the different programs we use like Code.org, Code Combat, Cyber America. It gets you on your toes in a sense to where like you want to explore there are different ways for you to learn this, either it be like solving a puzzle with Cyber America, reading an article, doing the assignments. They give you different types of opportunities in order to do the assignment. Yeah. Since we know that for the next I guess 2.5 years, we're gonna
Yeah.
be like we're in the same classes, or we're in the same group of people that we're like more comfortable with each other.
Yeah.
Which is another nice thing as well. I thought it was interesting to how they were able to get people like get some companies on board and such with the potential apprenticeship program.
If you could leave us with one word that describes your Computer Science Academy and the innovation spaces within it, what one word would you have?
I think one word that I would have would be like creative. Plan on how you gotta do things. You gotta like your brain has to be some type of creative in order to like progress because you can't just be basic and a follower. You got to be original and be able to access like your brain differently than like you would like regularly. I think the Computer Science Academy, you can't slack off. It is gonna be hard work, but at the same time, it is still fun to do because with the field trips, the hands-on things you can do with robots, creating your own stuff is hard, but in the end, it's gonna be fun and it's gonna help you in your future.
All right, so hello everyone. I am Mrs. Pendrak, and I am actually the teacher that will be teaching the cybersecurity and artificial intelligence curriculum at the Academy. I've actually been teaching for close to 20 years already, but some of the things that I bring to the Academy are not traditional in a sense. I actually started off as an art teacher and then moved into the computer sciences when I started teaching scientific visualization, and then digital design, and then game art and design, which is where we learned to program and then started to work with some virtual reality programming. And as part of that process, I even started my own business. And while I went through that process of establishing and building my business, I have made a lot of business connections and industry partners that we are planning to bring into the Academy. So that's a little bit about my background. I want to tell you a little bit then about our two programs or pathways we have for the students. The one is cybersecurity, and the other one is artificial intelligence. So some of the skills that they actually learn in these two programs is not even based on programming. The one thing that is super important for both of these is that the students learn logic, reasoning, and creative thinking. Coming from a creative background, that is one of the strengths that I kind of bring to the Academy, because we are not existing in a bubble with these two majors. They are integrated into our entire society. So we're going to look at the law and ethics in terms of how what they're doing affects different aspects of society as well. And then again, really stressing how to think creatively, because there's not one way to do something. We want to teach a robot, for example, how to chase a ball. Well, how do we go about doing that? It hasn't been done before necessarily. So what do we need to do? How do we code it? How do we create an algorithm for it? With cybersecurity, somebody is hacking into a system. How do we stop them? How do we prevent it? Or how do we change things or discover that that is happening? And along with those systems, we all work collaboratively. These two professions do not work by themselves. It takes a village, basically, in order to do these jobs. So there's a big, strong emphasis on collaboration. And then how they are accountable and responsible for the things that they are going to be doing and potentially learning in the future. So some of the things that we work on in cybersecurity are basic simulations. So the students take on roles in different categories. So for the one program, we work as agents, and this is kind of in the field more of forensics. So we're looking at clues to discover who's trying to hack things, how they're sending messages, how they're getting information back and forth, how they're embedding code. And it teaches them not only aspects of like forensics, but about codes that they're using. And in that process, they start to learn Linux and also learn Python programming step by step. Instead of us just like throwing them into the deep end of the pool, these scenarios teach them real world applications. So for example, today they had to figure out how to use Linux to retrieve a password or a user ID, and that was embedded in one of their system challenges. The other one we have that we use is where they are working as an employee for a company. And this example is where there's a computer virus that has been infected the system that they work for. What are they going to do to defend that? And our company's name is Snapcat for that particular one. The other thing we do is also with artificial intelligence. And we have at our disposal at the Academy, we have robots, which is amazing. And one of the robots we have is a robot called Pepper. And this is a little bit of an example of what students will be doing with Pepper in order to teach her and in the process learn themselves. The first step of anything is to model what it is we want Pepper to do. Pepper practices. Every time Pepper practices, she gets better and better. Not only does Pepper have the ability to learn, she also has the ability to respond to commands verbally. So she's an AI robot that we will be able to talk to, communicate with, and from those communications, she learns from us as we learn her. The other friends that we have too are these little robots, and they are Cosmo. But we have 3 Cosmo robots. So I'm going to let Cosmo introduce himself to you. Cosmo has a bit of a personality. He likes fist bumps. He likes to show off his tricks. But they don't always go the way Cosmo intends to go. As an AI, so long, he has to learn how to fix them. He was a little embarrassed by that.
I like to play games.
Now, Cosmo learns from playing games with the students. If you don't play games with him, he gets upset. One of the games he likes to play is he likes to basically try to catch your finger. So you have to be careful when he tries to catch your finger. It hurts a little bit. But when he misses, he also gets a little bit.
Will you come play with me at Northeast Guilford? I can't wait. Bye.
Okay. So Cosmo, again, is one of several different technologies that we have within our programs. So one of the things we've done is we've created a video walkthrough. We're still slightly under construction, but as we go through the video, I have listed some of the technologies that we have available for the students. Oops. And I don't know what happened, but there it goes. There's Pepper. bit of a glitch, but there we go. So right here we have our dates for our, we had our virtual open house dates this past week, but if you want more information, you can actually go to our web page. Our web page is listed on the Northeast Guilford High site, and you're going to find us under the Academy link. And on our page, we have a video gallery of things that students have been working on. We even had an unboxing of Pepper when she arrived. We also have links to our social media, so if you ever want to follow what we're doing on social media as well. And then there's more information about some of the salary potentials for the careers that they would be studying and what makes us unique and exciting for students. The last important thing at the very bottom of the page is going to be a link for registration for the Academy. And I'm going to let Miss Keener take over right now.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for being here, and thank you for your interest in our amazing academy. We hope that you learned some things that really pique your interest. As Ms. Pendrak and Ms. Harris were talking, I've been monitoring the questions in the chat. We do have some questions, but they look to be personalized, so we will be sure to get back to our families on that on a one-on-one. But I do thank you for being here. I encourage you to call the school. We all know about the academy, but they will put you in touch with our team or myself so that we can talk more if you have any specific questions. We typically try to accept up to 40 freshmen a year. We only accept students coming in as freshmen. We do not currently accept new sophomores, new juniors, or new seniors to the program. We are only open to freshmen, and we plan to allow in 40. So, but thank you guys so much again from me and the team, and we hope to see you soon at Northeast. Go Rams!